Hi there, so this is Elizabeth Thacker, and today I performed the baking soda and vinegar rocket experiment for my Chemistry 2 class. So it's a fairly simple experiment. You start out by gathering your materials. All you need is an empty plastic bottle, vinegar, baking soda, something to cork the bottle, and then I used just regular tissue paper to roll the baking soda in so that I could cork it before the reaction actually started. So after having gathered my materials, I went to perform the experiment, and it has actually been raining where I am pretty much all week. It's had short spurts where it hasn't rained, but it's rained a lot, and this is not an experiment that you want to do inside because it will create a mess. So I had to wait for a gap in the timeline where it wasn't raining, and that just so happened to be in the evening. So that's why in these videos you're about to see it's very dark, because it was nighttime when I performed the experiment due to all of the rain. So I couldn't actually find any vinegar in the house, and I thought I had some, but as it turned out I didn't. So I used apple cider vinegar instead of regular vinegar, and it seems to have created the same effect. So this first video, I have put apple cider vinegar into the plastic water bottle, and I'm holding a roll of tissue paper with baking soda in the inside, and all I did was stuff that tissue paper down into the apple cider vinegar and cork it. I seem to have corked it rather firmly, probably a little too strong. You definitely see a reaction, but in my videos the water bottle does not actually pop open, and you're gonna see why here in a second, but this is the first video where I am starting that procedure. You can see the tissue paper in the water bottle, and then the wind was coming because it was about to start raining again, and it actually knocked my bottle over. So that was the first thing that probably affected the reaction, I guess. So then we've got the second video here. And in this section of the video, you are just going to see that basically the water bottle continues to build pressure, and it's harder to see here because I'm a little far away. I'm hiding behind a car, but it does expand, and was a curved water bottle with lots of creases in it, and it kind of fills all those out, and there's a lot of pressure and tension, and it's very evident in the bottle, and it is a little easier to see here in the third video that I have for you. Alright, here we go. So you can see that right here you can already see the bottom of it is popped out a little due to all the pressure that's built up because of the reaction that's going on here inside of it. And then I actually stopped here because I couldn't get it to react. It might have been due to the fact that it was knocked over, or the fact that I might not have used enough of the vinegar, or it could have been just because the apple cider vinegar was not, just straight up regular vinegar. So that was my experiment, but the point of this is that when the baking soda and the vinegar are mixed together, the reaction produces water and carbon dioxide gas. In a capped bottle like this one, the carbon dioxide gas builds up until the pressure of all the contained gas causes the bottle to pop open. The pressurized carbon dioxide then escapes through the opening in the bottom of the bottle, and this is what creates the rocket-like effect that you see with things like volcanoes or bottle rockets like this one. So it's really pretty simple, and that's about all there is to it. Um, and I hope you enjoyed watching how my experiment went. Thanks.